Mm. Mm. Breakfast over this very scenic view. You can see the cityscape. A lot of swans and ducks.
They're not dogs.
They're not ducks, swans. Hi everyone, so for today we're here at Albert Park together with my wife who's cooking something today. So what do we have here? We have sunny side up eggs, and also we have stir fry beef, right? Yeah. So we'll do some barbecue this morning at this kind of view. And what's good about Melbourne is they have this kind of spots here so you can use freely and hang out with your friends. So that's what we're doing right now with the view of the lake behind us. The thing about these grillers is you need to really wait patiently because it doesn't have that high intensity heat. So you need your aluminum foil, you have your aluminum trays with you if you want to do some barbecue. And yeah, it's a nice day today. So hopefully we can get sunlight until this afternoon. Alin? So our recipe today is very simple. So just beef, straight salt, pepper, butter, and with our sunny side up egg, we have, for me, I have two sunny side up eggs with the butter, cheese, salt, and pepper. So that's very like just simple, straight.
High protein.
Yep, high protein breakfast. It's hot, so I'll hold here. The thing is, you don't want to do your barbecue if it's windy because everything will be messed up and chaotic. Okay, this is done. Another batch. Okay, I'm back. So since the egg is taking some time to be cooked, I'll put another one for my wife so that after our beef, it's done already. Okay, the sun is really nice today. It's cooperating. Been a while since we've done this. We're not that kind of busy, but it's nice to set up this.
The weather is
Yeah, the weather's really bad. It's very Melbourne, right? So we're using camembert cheese. This will be really good. So there are some activities behind us. One of those is kayaking. So you can do some kayaking in Albert Park. And you can also jog and run. The sun is really, it's really good to have this kind of activities from time to time. You can see a lot of people jogging behind us. So yeah, it's a thing here in Melbourne and I think across Australia. We also have our mozzarella cheese, which we will be putting on top of our beef later. So guys, my wife is not saying something and it's Normal. I'll just skip this one. I think we're done already, no? I want more pepper on top. So we have couple of sauces here and also one pickled baby cucumber. So we have this fermented hot sauce and also, yeah,
Variation.
my laganma. And also we have, yeah, mustard, and we have also some choco. Yep. Be careful with the flies. With the flies.
Hungry?
So the key about doing barbecue, guys, and especially using public utilities or amenities like this, you really need to keep in mind your trash and be mindful with your things because you don't want to mess around here, put your trash everywhere else. So you need to really tidy up things before you go and before you leave the place. We have our trusty, not sponsored, Woolies bag. Insulated bag. Yep, it's a good one. We've been using that ever since we've arrived here in Melbourne. Okay ka na dito?
It's good now.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, yep,
Bread.
the bread. You want another aluminum foil for this? Because it's transitioning from spring to summer, so you can see a lot of flies already around and you need to be mindful when you're cooking because they might ruin your food. And also be mindful and be alert with seagulls because you don't want...
You can steal your food.
Yeah, they can really steal your food.
Stole my salmon one.
So we're just finishing up the egg.
It's gonna be
So after this, we're gonna toast our bread. We have toast, we have steak, we have sunny side up eggs. So that's our high protein breakfast for today, and it's already 11 a.m. with the almost 3 kilometers walk from our home. So yeah, it's good to have. I think we can consider this as brunch already. So this is the reason why you cannot do barbecues during windy days because everything will fly away. Set aside here in our not functioning griller so that it will be cooled off later and I can throw that in the bin. Don't put your things which is hot aluminum foils inside the bins because it can cause fire, okay? So this morning we walked like for how many minutes? Almost an hour, right?
oh yeah, 45.
Yeah, 45 roughly. So yeah, after walking from our place to here, then set up the griller for about like 30 minutes, including the cooking time, 30 to 40 minutes. Then we ate the food, just 10 minutes, for 10 minutes, and yeah, this is really good. I really love spicy food, and even my wife. I love food. I love to eat. But I think here in Melbourne, we were able to cut some calories and lose some weight because I think even if you love the food or if you love eating, you can still be disciplined, especially with the help of my wife. So yeah, it's more of like the amount of food that you want to.
The amount, I would say fresh produce, yeah.
Fresh produce, veggies, options. Look at this beef. It's almost the same as the price in the Philippines, but you can really taste the difference of the quality. Especially if you were able to cook it really nicely, right? before this vlog, you saw our cooking show with Luca, and we did really a lot of mess with that. But we will do another episode with Luca. But if you love this kind of content, just let me know. I'll try to visit some of our friends' house and let them cook for us. And tell the story about those dishes. So I don't know. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and this is really a raw vlog from us, me and Trina, my wife. So that's all for today. See you on our next one. Bye. Peace. Laugan ma in eggs. Really good. I feel bad because they're looking at us.
We're running.
But they're smiling, guys. They're smiling.
They're like, oh,
They're like, oh, these guys.
this couple is something else.
It's like when you're doing your gym, right? Then someone's eating in front of you. Or you're cutting your calories and someone's eating in front of you. So, since we've used a lot of this kind of things, we need to dispose this properly. Yeah, so next time, can we bring like our own? Though it will take more time, right?
A pan? No, it's gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Not gonna work, right?